अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू शोशा यस। एज यू नो कि हमारा बेसिकली पॉडकास्ट का ऑब्जेक्टिव बेसिकली ये होता है कि वी नीड टू ब्रिंग इन पीपल with journeys and inspiration not only for me but obviously for you because I think जब ये stories मैं share करता हूँ in terms of positivities and whatever is happening all across the globe तो मैं देखता हूँ कि भाई पाकिस्तान में भी a lot of people are doing so much and you know I have very dear friend of mine with me and I think I'm meeting her not maybe after a decade because मैं तो ये कह रहा था but nonetheless उनकी story शुरुआत करेंगे but I'll welcome her. Kurtalan, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
आप बताएं अब सबसे पहला सवाल जो भी मेरे गेस्ट होते हैं कि आखिर कुरतलन है कौन?
Well, I think अगर देखा जाए तो I am just somebody who is trying to create an impact. This is something that I've always wanted to do बचपन से. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने कुछ ऐसे define किया था कि मैं I'll go into banking or I'll do something women empowerment का. But हमेशा से मेरा ये हुआ है कि I want to be someone who actually creates an impact for people, opens doors and lets, other people progress. I want to be known as somebody like that.
Okay, so इस पूरी जर्नी में कुरतलन थोड़ा सा बताओ because obviously when we're growing तो थोड़ा सा if you would want to share your journey because there would be a lot of people listening to you तो हमारा objective basically है कि every time people would see stories and interviews तो उनको I want them to associate and believe in themselves.
Well, to be honest, I had a very good childhood. I was raised by a single mother. She was a doctor. I'm the only child.
Right.
I did my schooling from here. I've been always born in Islamabad. I've studied here all my life.
Right.
And I joke with my friends as well that I'll end up dying over here as well because I spent my whole life over here.
So you're the old Islamabad.
I'm the old Islamabad.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
I am. So बस उसी तरह था and then unfortunately after my A levels my mother got diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
Oh.
So she was unwell for 3 years. I had to take some break off from work, but then I did my BA privately because at that time that was something that I thought I could handle while taking care of her because it was just me and her.
Right.
So फिर मैंने वो किया and then unfortunately my mom passed away in 2011. उसके बाद से then I just wanted to keep busy and then obviously I had just finished my studies and then I thought कि मैं कुछ करती हूँ how you want to become independent.
Right.
And उस वक्त सिर्फ मेरा motive ये था that I wanted to basically start earning.
Right. हाँ.
So
निज़ाम चलाए.
Yeah, बस के मैं
busy भी रहे कुछ चलता.
busy रहूँ तो उस वक्त then I interviewed for a bank and उस वक्त मेरा idea ये था कि मैं greeters desk पे जो होती है लड़की उस पे करूँ because maths is something that I always ran away from.
Technical मुझे नंबर वाली लगनी थी.
So, but I was fortunate enough कि मुझे जो लोग मिले, the gentleman who interviewed me, he told me कि you're overqualified for this, so why don't you come on this side कि तुम जरा आओ become a relationship manager.
Right.
So I was really skeptical about it, लेकिन alhamdulillah I think one thing led to another. I started enjoying it और फिर gave me a lot of exposure as well, met different people, worked with very nice people. तो फिर उसके बाद यही है कि करते कराते I spent almost 13 years with that bank. I had started with them. फिर I generally thought कि अब sales or I was into consumer banking and I was the area manager at that time but I just thought कि अब it was getting too stressful for me and it was getting too monotonous एक ही तरह वो targets and all of that and एक वही अंदर की चीज़ थी जो हमेशा होती है कि I wanted to do something which is impactful थोड़ी fulfillment
थोड़ा सा हाँ result substantial result सिर्फ financial नहीं चाहिए हमें कुछ substantial चाहिए
कुछ करूँ मैं तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि maybe I should try going into the development sector लेकिन उस वक्त मैं अभी ये transition का सोच ही रही थी तो I got an opportunity ये women financial inclusion का एक role था because there's a lot of focus now on DEI and women empowerment and financial inclusion of women. So then I gave the interview for that and I got it and alhamdulillah it's been 3 years that I'm in this role and I can without any doubt say that I think this is something that has given me a lot of fulfillment and I think it has also taught me a lot about myself because as soon आपके जो भी I feel कि आपको कोई भी जो role होता है ना that is leading you for another preparing
absolutely basically एक story खत्म हो रही नहीं होती basically prepare हो रहे होते हैं
तो बस वो किया and I stay busy with work and then of course I have my family my aunt lives with me we have a very close knit family वो भी इस्लामाबाद में ही है so बस उनके साथ कभी friends के साथ I'm a pet lover I have my cats तो बस इसी तरह बस life
तो मुझे बताओ कि in terms of the whole time that you've क्योंकि एक अगर हम देखें ना तुम पहले सोच कुछ रही थी फिर तुम बैंक में घुस गई फिर बैंक में भी तुम जो सोची थी वो नहीं हुआ you went into a different side और उसके बाद राइट नाउ तुम वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पर्सपेक्टिव तो एक कांस्टेंट लर्निंग भी चल रही है और ग्रोथ भी चल रही है तुम्हारा इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नेक्स्ट 5 years बिकॉज अब तो तुमने जो मेन टाइम देना था वो तो दे दिया अब तुम्हारा जो इम्पैक्टफुल काम है वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ इन 5 years
Well, to be honest, I really want to be at some place where I can be, like I want to create opportunities for women, especially for women and for people that I can help. क्योंकि I want to be known as someone. एक मैं हमेशा ये quote करती हूँ. Growing up, I was a big fan of Princess Diana. So I've always wanted कि I should have that kind of impact on people. So I want to do something, maybe start my own organization.
एक छोटे से शुरू करके
करूँगी, and I can, and जहाँ मैं I can connect the dots, and I want to basically build a whole ecosystem for women कि जहाँ उनको सिर्फ access to finance की बात नहीं है, अगर उनको help चाहिए, mentorship चाहिए, just to encourage them and create opportunities for them. So this is something where I would want, maybe in the corporate sector, I go up the ladder, or maybe down the lane I would think of.
So basically, you also wanted to jump into जो NGO sector या तुम कह रही थी, तो that was basically for the fact that you wanted to focus.
Yes.
So you have this passion now, तो because when we were having a conversation, तो अचानक से we got in touch because हम तो काफी अर्से बाद ही राब्ते में हुए, तो but anyways when we started talking and I spoke to Kurat and she told me कि भाई ये मेरा vision है. In the long run देखो जो तुम plan करी हो, and I 110% believe because आपके पास एक वो vision होना चाहिए. Because I've seen you do things, you've seen me, but here we are. और अब तुम्हारा जो goal है वो मुझे इतना तो समझ आ गया कि तुम्हें at least एक target मिल गया.
बिल्कुल.
अब उस target में पहुंचने के लिए तुम्हारे पास you have to reach and educate. अब reach educate करने में कोई plan of action तुमने कोई initiation सोची है because we did have a word on that तो मैंने कहा तो हाँ.
अब मैंने basically इसमें यही सोचा है कि हम लोग जो है through our partners, through whatever, हम reach out to people who are like-minded and start something like this जिसके अंदर हम औरतों को like एक सिर्फ उनका financial inclusion की बात नहीं है लेकिन उनको वो एक mindset change करना भी ज़रूरी है. तो I think if we can start something like that where we get a group of women, we train them, we empower them, हम उनका एक पूरा ecosystem बना के दें, उनको connect कराएं लोगों से और we can do something like that.
तो अभी currently जो तुम project कर रही हो in terms of the CSR and तुमने मुझे बताया भी था in terms of obviously empowering women. So what are the projects that you've done so far with your current organization?
So we basically हमने हमारा जो है हमारा एक WIN program है, flagship program है, which is a Women Inspiration Network. So उसके अंदर basically we've taken a lot of initiatives. One was we launched an all women incubation center for women-led startups. हमने उसको start किया था, pilot किया था to see how it goes. We've run 2 cohorts. We've graduated almost 31 plus females that to give them seed money as well. उसके अलावा एक और opportunity आई थी and one of my incubatees जो थी, they were these young girls who were in the final year of NUST और उन्होंने एक आंगन के नाम से एक AI powered एक ऐप बनाई थी which was on women reproductive health. So they were one of our incubatees.
I think हाँ, but yeah, I did have an interview when बिल्कुल I remember छोटी हाँ
so
I remember.
फिर उसके बाद हुआ ये कि when an opportunity came कि we wanted to make a breast cancer awareness app, तो हमने कहा कि बजाय कि हम सिर्फ फंड कर दें तो हमने उन औरतों उन लड़कियों को मैं कहूँगी we got in touch with them and we told them if they would like to work on this project. So उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी breast cancer awareness app बनाई है BB के नाम से, BB app, because they wanted to resonate with the women masses. तो वो हमने किया है. उसके अलावा एक और बहुत important something very close to my heart was कि हमने एक inheritance campaign की थी which is also on YouTube and everywhere with the name of Invisible Heirs, जिसके अंदर से हमने क्या किया था एक Sharia compliant calculator embed किया था हमारे app के अंदर, जिसके अंदर a woman can just simply go and give very basic information and find out what her rightful share was. And I feel
ये तो तुम लोगों को नादरा के साथ भी करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल we are affiliated with them. हमारा registration हमारे ऐप पे उनके थ्रू ही
हाँ,
होती है.
FRC और वो सारी चीजें very nice.
So the thing is कि उसमें हमने जब ये किया था अलहमदुलिल्लाह, you'll be surprised कि we were doing a research, तो हमें ये पता चला था कि 97% of the women in Pakistan either don't know their share or they don't end up getting it. It's only the 3%.
Wow.
So that's why
97% को पता भी नहीं होगा शायद.
वो तो कभी let go भी कर देती हैं because unfortunately हमारे यहाँ इस तरह भी होता है, जैसे डाउरी दे दी तो बस यही है, all of that. So very few and it's a taboo topic actually. It's not even कि मैं कहूँगी कि rural areas में या इस तरह के एरियाज में बात होती है. Even for me, who comes from a very educated background, very good family, I don't think I would be comfortable sitting with my elders and saying, अच्छा मेरा शेयर कितना है, मुझे कब दे रहे हैं. Although this is a conversation, it's just not.
But it's देखो बात practicality की भी है, practicality भी है, but 97% को अगर नहीं पता तो ये this is alarming.
Yes, yeah.
So you are basically trying to empower and give them the hope.
हमारे जो भी initiatives होते हैं, we try to do it around women. to see how they can benefit. इसलिए inheritance campaign की, ये breast cancer awareness app बनाया, और अभी हम लोग जो हैं we are also stepping into the ambit of national incubation centers. So we are launching one inshallah in August in Sialkot. That is led by my institution. And उसके अलावा एक और consortium हमने form किया है with our sister company. उसमें we are launching an all women incubation center in Islamabad, I think towards the end of the year.
Wow.
So these are some initiatives we are doing because, you know, we
one step at a time.
One step at a time, because the thing is that there is so much potential in women, to be honest.
True.
They're so enterprising और इतनी उनके अंदर ideas है, सब कुछ है, but उनका ना एक level तक जाके support उनको वो
direction
नहीं मिलती,
direction
नहीं मिलती, support नहीं मिलती, guidance नहीं होती. So I think जब वो आप उनको provide करते हो ना, I think they can, you know, the sky is the limit for them.
Absolutely.
And वही वाली बात है कि देखिए हमारी जो population है, more than I think 52% if I'm not wrong, but more than 50% is females. So how can we expect कि पाकिस्तान will prosper जब हमारी आधी population को हम empower नहीं,
और उनमें से 97 को पता ही नहीं कि उनका हक क्या है.
Yes, yeah.
Well, this is alarming. Any messages for all the young women specifically out there, because तुम्हारा focus थोड़ा सा उस साइड पर है in terms of empowering them, so any messages for them?
I would just say that I think हम जो है females कभी कभार अपने आप को थोड़ा underestimate कर देती हैं. I feel that there's nothing that we can't do. So please just, you know, एक दूसरे को build up करें, be a support for each other. If you need a mentor की help लें. But you know, अपने आप को evolve करते रहा करें, keep on learning, and you know, just sky is the limit, I always say. और ये कि women supporting women, I think creates a big impact. Absolutely. And I think women of Pakistan, all over the world actually, are very, very resilient, and there's nothing that you cannot do. So always believe in yourself and never give up.
Well, thank you, Kurtalan. I think it was a lovely conversation in terms of having you as well. Thank you for taking your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, guys, this was Kurtalan, and yes, nonetheless, I'll definitely share all the work that she's talked about in terms of Instagram pages and stuff, ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल सके. But like I said, the inspiration, it has to be also in you. So please continue the journey in terms of what you truly want to do and what you dream to do, like she's also doing. Anyways, once again, thank you very much.
Thank you so
and
much.
And guys, thank you very much for being a part of the show. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.